Hello everyone, in today's video I want to show you how to buy USDT with a debit card on Binance Exchange. First you have to open Binance Exchange, then you need to click on Assets here. After that you have to click on Add Funds here. Then you have to click here again. After clicking here, you will see an interface like this. So first you need to enter the amount here according to the currency you want to buy. So I will enter it here, the amount that I want to buy. Then you have to click here again. After clicking here, you have to click on the Master Visa card. After clicking on it, you have to confirm again. Then such an interface will appear in front of you. First you need to click on new card, then you need to hear first name, last name, card number, expire date. After providing everything, you need to click on confirm. Then you will be given an OTP for verification. After that, USDT will arrive in the Binance exchange. Like this, you can buy USDT with a debit card in the Binance exchange. If you like our video, please give it a like. To get more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel.